5 a.m. Been working pretty much all night actually. I slept from about 9 p.m. to about 1 p.m. and then worked until this point. It's still 27 degrees at this time. And the house gets very hot being a cement house. I can see myself eventually probably getting a place in Pattaya and then building a smaller wood structure here. I'm just going to reduce my collection size. As you can see, it's very quiet. The dogs haven't come out. Normally you get the little tuk-tuk food delivery truck that comes along. This house is a big house. I don't really need such a big house. If I can reduce my collection size and then buy and sell it rather than just stockpile, I only need a place a third of the size. That's not such a hot box as well. The garden is always a lot of work. And you never really enjoy it much anyway. Next door neighbour, she's up. She works through the night as well. And here comes one of the neighbours. He starts work early.